Next part, AM, determination of hardness in water to determine the amount of total hardness present in a given water sample by EDTA titration method. Next part, simulations, determination of hardness in water. Objective to determine the amount of total hardness present in given water sample by EDTA titration method. Apparatus, pipette, conical flask, virate, beaker, dropper. Okay. Virate, conical flask, beaker, conical flask, virate, automatic pipette, and graduated pipette. Apparatus used in these experiments are pipette, conical flask, virate, beaker, and dropper. Next, standard determination of hardness in water, standardization of EDTA solution. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid solution. Ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid solution. Next part. First step first, fill the virate with standard EDTA solution up to the 0 mark. In this virate, fill EDTA solution up to mark by using funnel. This is the funnel. Using funnel to fill EDTA solution. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid solution. First of all, to remove upper, then fill EDTA solution up to the 0. Filling of EDTA solution up to the 0 marks. Next, to remove funnel, step second, add 10 ml of 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution. Calcium carbonate solution to a conical flask through a graduated pipette. To a graduated pipette. Next, add 10 ml of 0.01 molar calcium carbonate solution to a conical flask through a graduated pipette. This is the graduated pipette. Filling of calcium carbonate solution. First of all, fill in this pipette. Addition of 10 ml 0.01 molar calcium carbonate in a conical flask through a graduated pipette. Press the down arrow on the bulb to release liquid into the BOD bottle. After filling calcium carbonate, ammonia vapor solution is added for removing interference of the particle. Add 1 ml of add 1 ml of ammonia vapor solution by automatic pipette to the conical flask. adding 1 ml of ammonia buffer solution by automatic pipette. After addition, remove this pipette. In the experiment, why ammonia buffer solution is added to the sample? कोण आंसर सांगू शकते? To maintain the constant pH, to dissolve the precipitate, both A and B, none of these. Answer fast. In the experiment, why ammonia buffer solution is added to the solution? Fast. One candidate. Sujal. Otherwise, say to maintain constant pH. The answer is correct. Ammonia buffer solution is added to maintain constant pH value. To maintain constant pH value. Next part. Add 3 to 4 drops of Erythrum black tea to the conical flask. Addition of 3 to 4 drops of Erythrum black tea in a conical flask. After addition, color changes to wine red and color changes to wine red. Titrate the EDTA solution till the color changes to blue. Initial burette reading is 0 ml. Initial burette reading is 0 ml. Open the knob to start the liquid running into the conical flask. First of the solution is wine red. Wine red is changes to blue. Wine red is changes to blue and reading started from 0. Reading started from 0. Due to this, the initial burette reading is 0 ml. Open the knob to start the liquid running into the conical flask. Change of color from wine red to blue. Final reading, final burette reading is 9.9 ml. First initial burette reading 0 ml because reading start from 0 and final burette reading is equal to 9.9 ml. And color changes from wine red to blue. Color changes from wine red to blue. Next part. Determination of hardness in water. Observation. Volume of calcium carbonate CaCO3 solution in ml 10 ml. Burette reading in ml, initial value 0, final value 9.9. Volume of EDTA in ml, final value minus initial value is 9.9. CaCO3 equivalent, calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA. Formula, calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to volume of calcium carbonate divided by volume of EDTA. To fill the reading and check the results. CaCO3 equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to 1.1 milligram of CaCO3. 1 degree Clark is equal to question है 1 degree Clark is equal to 1 part of CaCO3 per and आता आपण बघू चेक करू काय 17,000 correct answer. Observation, volume of calcium carbonate CaCO3 solution in ml, this is the 10. Burette reading in ml, initial value 0, final value 9.9. Volume of EDTA in ml, final value minus initial value and reading is 9.9. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to 9.9. calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA is equal to 1.01 milligram of calcium carbonate. Next part, determination of hardness in water, sample titration. Fill the burette with standard EDTA solution up to the 0 mark by using funnel. This is the funnel. EDTA can be filled by using funnel to remove stopper and fill the EDTA solution up to the 0 mark by using a funnel. After filling the EDTA to remove funnel, first of all, to fill burette with EDTA solution up to the 0 mark. After filling EDTA, second step, add 100 ml water sample to conical flask through a graduated pipette. Press down on arrow on the bulb to release liquid into the BOD water. This is the pipette bulb. Hardness cannot be removed by boiling is called as answer please. Ashwini. Hardness that cannot be removed by boiling, it is called as Prerna.
Permanent hardness.
Permanent hard.
Hardness that cannot be removed by boiling is called as त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो permanent hardness. Next, add 1 ml of ammonia vapor solution by automatic pipette to the conical flask. Add 1 ml of vapor solution by automatic pipette to the conical flask. Add 3 to 4 drops of Erythrome black tea indicator to the conical flask. This is the Erythrome black tea indicator. Add 3 to 4 drops to the conical flask. We change the color after adding of indicator. Color changes to colorless to wine red. Erythrome black tea indicator. Erythrome black tea indicator is used to detect presence of rate of earth metal. Presence of earth metal. बघा answer. ठीक है. True, correct answer. Next, titrate the EDTA solution till color changes to blue. Initial burette reading 0 ml. The wine red is changes to blue. Initial the reading start from 0. To start the liquid running into the conical flask, the color changes to blue from wine red to blue. wine red to blue. Titration is carried out until the sample changes its color from Kyle wine red, colorless, blue, orange. Kyle wine red. Correct answer. Endpoint is color changes from wine red to blue, and final Biuret reading is 6.8 ml. The final Biuret reading is 6.8 ml. Next, determination of hardness in water. Observation: volume of sample taken in ml 100. Biuret reading in ml. Initial value 0. Final value 6.8. Volume of EDTA ml. Final value minus initial value. Start अपन 0 नहीं करते हुए. Start from 0 and final 6.8. Difference is 6.8. Calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA. Next formula: total hardness is equal to A into B into 100 into 1000 divided by C, where A volume of EDTA for sample titration, B calcium carbonate equivalent to 1 ml of EDTA, and C volume of sample taken for titration. Next, check. Total hardness is equal to 1.1. Total hardness is equal to 68.68 milligram per liter as a calcium carbonate. Final result is total hardness is equal to 68.68 milligram per liter as a calcium carbonate. Which of the following is not unit of hardness? Next question is, which of the following is a not unit of hardness? First, parts per million means ppm. Degree Clark, degree French. First unit is part per million. Second unit is degree Clark. Third is degree French. And the correct answer is degree centigrade. Degree centigrade is a not unit of hardness. Commonly used unit is ppm or parts per million. Next part. The limit of hardness as per this standard is this is the काय बघू आपण रॉंग आन्सर मध्ये ट्रू काईल ट्रू ठीक आहे.